This is the HP DeskJet Plus 4152 printer. It features print, scan, copy, and you are able to send mobile fax with its 35-page automatic document feeder. It features a dual band Wi-Fi and has got a USB port. So we're going to unbox this printer and connect it to the network. We will also print an alignment page and show you how to scan the alignment page for best print quality. Let's unbox it. So there's a get started guide here, and this printer comes with a 2 months trial for instant ink. So this is showing that it has got a cable and got the ink cartridges. And here's the printer itself. Let us now remove the wrapping. You need to remove this piece of cardboard. There's another piece of cardboard right on the input tray. We will now power it up. Plug one end into the power socket and the other end of the power cord you plug it at the rear of the printer. Turn on the power at the power socket. Power on the printer by pressing the power button. Once powered up, you will notice that the wireless LED is blinking. The next step is to connect the printer to our network. We'll use the HP Smart app. If you need to install it, you can always download from the Play Store. Let's start HP Smart. We can get started by adding a printer. Tap on the Add Printer, which is the plus icon indicated. It is indicating no printer found. We'll set up a new printer. It has found our DeskJet Plus 4100. Let's select that. So we are connecting to the 5 GHz network. We need to enter the Wi-Fi password. Once the password is keyed in, select Continue. It is asking us to press the flashing information button on our printer. Let's do that. Let's continue. Let's load paper. First, pull up to review the paper tray. Next, you need to slide the guides all the way to the left. Finally, take a stack of paper and load it in as shown. Align the paper all the way to the right. Use the paper guide as shown. The paper is now loaded. It's time to install ink. We'll open the ink door. Next, we'll remove the protective tape on both the cartridges. Remove the protective tape. Let's open the ink door by pulling it down. Now, you need to load the color ink cartridge on the left hand side. Simply push it in. And for the right, you need to load in the black ink cartridge. Once again, push it all the way in until you hear a snap. Once that is done, you may close the door. The ink is installed. Let's continue. You can print from other devices, but we will skip that and select not right now. So the setup is complete. Let's print a document. We need to check on this box and start. Let's tap on Print. There's a firmware update available. So we'll select OK, since it will automatically update. So this is the page that is printed. It's a welcome page. So let's copy this welcome page. We use a flat bed. You place the welcome page face down on the flat bed. Now the datum is right at the top left hand corner. We've just copied a black and white page. Let's copy a color page by pressing on the color copy button. This is the color copy. Let's print one more page, and we'll print in black. You'll notice that it has just printed the alignment page, and for best alignment we need to scan it. So this alignment page is printed when the printer is first out of box and he has printed the first 3 pages. So the first 3 pages are as follows. The welcome page is the first page that was printed, and we did a copy in black and a copy in color, and together with the first welcome page that was printed, it has printed a total of 3 pages. Once the 3 pages has been printed, it will automatically print the alignment page. So let's place this face down on the scanner glass as shown. And you need to press on the copy button. Once you see that the power LED has stopped blinking, the alignment is completed. You may remove the alignment page and recycle. So we have just shown you how to unbox the DeskJet Plus 4100 printer. Connect it to a network, do the basic setup like the install paper, install cartridges, and also to print a welcome page and do a black and color copy. With a total of 3 pages, it has printed the alignment page, and we have also scanned the alignment page for the print heads.